and to congratulate the government on its various initiatives and programs for the development of our state. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also take the opportunity on behalf of my constituent to thank and applaud the government for the creation of the Lumshnong CNRG block at Lumshnong village. Speaker, sir, this creation fulfilled the long demands and aspirations of the people of the Iaka Narco. And I hope that this creation, it will help assist in tapping the developmental needs of the people. Mr. Speaker, sir, with the folded hands and gratitude, I wish again to congratulate and thank the government under the leadership of our Honorable CM Shri Conrad K. Sangma and our Honorable Deputy CM Shri Preston Tunsong and Honorable Deputy CM Shri Syobha Langdar for according the sanction and the approval for the Sonapur Borkhat for more than 122 crores last year for construction of the road connecting the border villages of Huroi, Lejuri, Lahalain, and Hingaria. This fulfilled the 50 years long demand of the people of the border population. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm also to thank the government for the border hut in Huroi village, which is also under construction as I speak. This sanction clearly shows that the government is serious about the developmental needs of the people. Mr. Speaker, sir, I also take the opportunity to highlight and address some of the issues pertaining to my constituency and district, which I'm seeking the attention of the government during the present tenure. So with the road conditions, Mr. Speaker, sir, with increasing number of vehicles along almost on daily basis, and also the number of heavy motor vehicles passing through the NH6, there is an urgent need to upgrade the existing NH6 from Marangkanang to Maledor to a 4-lane national highway. Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a frequent traffic jam along the NH6, both in West and East Jaintia Hills district. So I also have another issues, Mr. Speaker, sir. Large number of people in East Jaintia Hills district depends on earning from the coal directly or indirectly. Ever since the Honorable NGT banned coal mining, lives of the people have been severely affected in numerous ways, and many people were pushed to poverty because of this reason, because of unemployment. Trade and other activities have also been severely impacted, and the ban has been decreased, the purchasing power of the people. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am glad that the government has been taking several initiatives to start legal coal mining, and I'm made to understand that there has been several applicants who have been applied for the mining lease under the MMDR Act. However, mining is yet to start till date. So I wish to request the government to kindly expedite the process of starting legal coal mining and to pursue the matter aggressively with concerned authorities and to ensure that the legal mining starts as soon as possible. I request the government utmost attention to this matter, sir. With these few submissions, sir, I hope and request the government to take all the possible steps to the points I have mentioned for the development and the welfare of our beloved state. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.
With this opportunity, I resume my seat.